Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. First half Orlando Pirates versus Iswelele, what a game bafethu. I mean, beautiful moments from Orlando Pirates. Create ama-opportunities amaningi, bekumele ngabe iya ku-half time iya-leader at least 2-0. Wapholisi bafethu ayi-superstar umjida. But-ke siye kuma-key moments of the game. Ulokhunjana uthathe ipenalty uMakgopa waligeja ipenalty laphana. I mean, it's a big moment of the game laphana, bekumele alishaye phakathi but ushaye ipali, but amaphutha vele ayenzeka ukuthi uligeje ipenalty, into eyenzakalayo vele ku-game of football. But kube nenye i-big moment laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. uMakgopa ethola ibhola, bekumele ngabe uliyekelelele ulokhunjana apholisi but wahluleka ukuliyeka, wamista ne-trapping, watrappa kabi, watrappela umphakathi ibhola-ke la le phansi. I mean, bad decision by uMakgopa, or maybe bekangamboni laphana wapholisa ukuthi wapholisa u-ready ukulishaya lapho because beliza kuye straight. But-ke good moments laphana uRelem Mofokeng simbonile naye create lawo ma-opportunities, especially laphana kuze kuba i-penalty moment yakhe laphana uRelem Mofokeng. So uRevlin awuyibambe kahle kakhulu igame laphana, ama-foul bawamaningi we-Orlando Pirates sibonile. Bathola i-yellow card umfowethu laphana ubani Nkonyane just before i-half time, umfana laphana weSwelele FC. But yeah, so far so good. Iswelele-ke nabo bawa-create ama-opportunities. uSayile ngifile ngathi bafethu ube-greedy laphana because he beat ulokhunjana uMbokazi and then wahluleka qhubeka mfethu, wafuna ukushaya same time ekude ulo uSipho Shane walibamba lolu ibhola, kanti bekumele aye nebhola i-defense maybe uCM Committee ize kuye and then-ke yena une-golden opportunity yokuthi aphase or alokhunjana ashayeke sekane-chance because uCM abengekazi ukuthi akhave bani laphana. Bawatholile ama-few opportunities laphana Iswelele njengoba ngishilo, but i-defense e-Orlando Pirates is-super strong, super powerful. I-pace I mean esiyibonile laphana ku-Orlando Pirates, I mean super fit manje, uyabona ukuthi bahlangene badlala as a team. You know, it's a game of football, you never know ukuthi igame izoyaphi nanokuthi igame bazoyiwina kanjani abanye abantu. But-ke Orlando Pirates first half they showed equality, good quality nje overall, because baqale isizini beshake, but-ke manje bayayibonisa ngempela i-confidence. I was saying Orlando Pirates idlala kahle kakhulu even the last weekend ngoba bebadlala i-CAF Champions League, but bebadlala ne-team yaseLesotho. Obviously-ke singakhuluma ukuthi badlala kahle, but siyabheka ama-opposition abadlala nawo. But-ke looking at i-moment laphana against Iswelele, i-team yaku-Betway Premiership, sibonile ukuthi badlala kahle kakhulu and then ba-ready, badlala as a team. Ispiti sabo laphana, I mean obviously they will be going to second half, i-momentum i-high, believing ukuthi still banga-create laphana ama-opportunities abowaswena Police, aboRelem Mofokeng. Ilo Iswelele-ke they will be looking to catch Orlando Pirates kuma-counter attacks laphana because bayazi ukuthi they will get few chances ukuthi bawathole, ukuthi ba-capitalize laphana on those great moments. But yeah, it's been a game of Orlando Pirates dominating and Iswelele looking to catch Orlando Pirates on counter, but Orlando Pirates dominated overall. uMuremi ube ne-opportunity enkulu naye ukuthi akore, but miscued lela shot lela, zange lithinte kahle ibhola-ke laphumela ngaphandle. So bawa-create-ele ama-opportunities kakhulu futhi hayi kancane i-Orlando Pirates. They dominated the game overall, they've covered the distance, covered the space, dominated ngama-shots, dominated ku-ball position, I mean dominated overall nje. They deserve to be at least-ke babe ahead, but it's a game of football, it's unpredictable. So babona second half ukuthi bazodlala kanjani. But yeah, it's very rare seeing uMbokazi beaten as the hour laphana, but-ke off balance they got opportunities. Second half sobona ukuthi basiphetheleni, bazodlala kanjani overall laphana. But-ke so far so good, beautiful moments, but they could not convert ama-opportunities wabo, but they are powerful. Maybe second half bazozama ukuletha esinye striker because Evidence Makgopa, as much as aggression yakhe ayi-add laphana to the game, but-ke he has not been convincing. But u-Evidence Makgopa naye ngabe ube ne-assist because khona ibhola lisikore kahle, unfortunately abakwazanga ukuyi-convert leyo opportunity leyo, but Orlando Pirates dominated. Danko bafowethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe.